Hey everyone, I'm finally getting around to changing out my boards for summer. I start by spraying the old design with water and wiping it clean with a paper towel and magic eraser. I'm using my new transfer Live Life in flip flops. I just cut it apart and fuzz the back by laying it on a towel. Next I place it on my board and start adding my paste colors. I've chosen to do an ombre effect in coral and white, so I'll just add white to the top of the design and coral to the bottom. Next I'll blend the two together using my finger. Now I just set the transfer aside in water so I can clean it up later. I'll speed up the drying process by using my hairdryer. Now I'll add these cute layered flip-flops, a yellow and white polka dot pair, and a blue and white chevron. I'll finish by adding a flower from another transfer. Our transfers are reusable, so you can switch them out and make your own unique designs. You can shop on my website, chalkingwithnikki.chalkcouture.com, for all your supplies, and if you're interested in becoming a designer, just message me or click join on my website. Thanks for watching.